Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So March 26th is the date Huawei had chosen to unveil its next flagship smartphone series, and now with less than 2 weeks to go, we have lots of information to share with you guys, which includes the new Prism periscope camera with 10 times optical zoom, industry first quad curved display, on the front there will be triple camera setup and so much more. So stay tuned for more details and I will be back right after this. Starting off with the design, the P40 Pro will feature the quad curved display with punch hole cutout. On the rear, it has penta camera setup with Leica branding. You get volume rockers and power button on the right side with USB-C port on the bottom, and there is no 3.5mm headphone port. Display will be a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus OLED panel, and there has been no mention of refresh rates. We are expecting Huawei to provide either 90 or 120Hz panel. The Huawei P40 Pro will come with in-display fingerprint scanner and it will use Gorilla Glass 6 for protection. According to rumors, the punch hole houses a 40MP camera along with an ultra-wide and 3D time-of-flight depth sensor. On the rear side, you can expect 5 cameras in the similar rectangular housing as seen with Samsung's S20 series phones. Reportedly, the main sensor is gonna be a 52MP Sony IMX700 sensor. The interesting thing about this sensor is that it does the pixel binning at a completely next level. We have seen pixel binning in various other phones, but it was just 4:1, or with Samsung S20 Ultra it was 9:1. But Huawei will apparently use never seen before 16:1 binning ratio, meaning it will be better equipped to see in the dark. Not just that, it has been rumored that this sensor can perform variable pixel binning ratios, like in bright lighting conditions, it will use 4:1 pixel binning and likewise. Moving further with rest of the cameras, we have Sony IMX650 with 40MP ultra wide angle lens, 8MP telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, 16MP periscopic lens with 10 times optical zoom. For comparison, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra only has 5x optical zoom. I believe it will also feature 100 times digital zoom given that Samsung already uses it in its latest S20 series. And finally, a 3D time-of-flight sensor. Powering the phone will be Kirin 990 SoC coupled with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of internal storage. All of this will be powered by 4700mAh cell with support for 40W fast charging and 22.5W fast wireless charging. It will of course run Android 10 in the form of EMUI 10.1 and not Harmony OS. About its color options, leaks suggest that the smartphone will be made available to purchase in silver, gold, black, blue and the gradient breathing crystal finish. So this was everything about hardware and the software which they are going to use. Now let's get to the pricing, which was recently provided by the Twitter leaker. The P40 Pro will be priced between 999 and 1099 euros in Europe. For comparison, the P30 Pro was priced similarly at 999 euros at launch. Now it's somewhere close to 550 euros, which is a drastic reduction because now it's time for P40 series. So that's it about P40 Pro. More information will be coming soon, so subscribe for more information. Thank you for watching. Peace out.